Yeah, so guys, so far so good, and today is the day I am going to share the step indices strategy on tzxtraders.com, and I'm so sure that by the end of this video you are going to learn and make something out of it too. So as you can see, we have a $200 account, and as you can see, that is on our real account. So this is the balance. Now hapa tulikuwa kwa reports, of which sidhani this one is necessary right now, so I'm going to close these tabs ndo at least tukue nini page ikue very fast. So we are going to proceed to okay, so we are going to reload the whole site, then we are going to go to the rise and fall strategy without wasting a lot of time. So it's this simple. So with the $200, I want us to see whether we are going to hit a $500 mark today with the rise and fall strategy. So first things first, after you log into TZX Traders, first things just come here and set your parameters. So on this end, just come here and set your parameters. So we are going to set our parameters, which is the stake and the take profit, and also the martingale and the ticks we want to use, and also the market that we want to trade. Okay, so first things first, we are going to start with a stake of $20 because the account is a bit big. Then a take profit of 0.1. Always make sure, even if you have a bigger account, make sure the take profit is 0.1. So maximum loss, we are going to take 3. Then we are going to use martingale of 1.2. So make sure the martingale here is 1.2. Okay, 1.2. You just edit manually. Then ticks, you are going to increase the number of ticks to 2. Okay, you're going to increase the number of ticks to 2, just like that. So after that, we are now going to proceed to setting the markets, which are the step indices. So we are going to scroll down and highlight the step indices, then we choose the one that we want to trade. So let's see. So step index 200. Remember I said you should always do it this way. Step index 200, 400 and 500, always make sure you trade rise market, and the condition should be only one condition: the RSI should be below 50. If you find it above 50 on step index 200, 400 and 500, just avoid, do not trade. For the fall market, you should trade only step index 100 and 300 unless otherwise. Okay, yeah. So once you find the RSI is above 50, now you are going to trade a fall market. But if you find it below 50, just avoid the market, do not trade. As simple as that, and that is how you always make quick money. So let's get into it. So we are going to click on rise, then we come here to analyze our market. So we are going to start with a step index 200. So you're going to type 200 there, then we take the step index 200. Then always make sure you analyze on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, make sure that you analyze on 5 minutes time frame, get your entry on 1 minute time frame. Okay, all right, so we are going to proceed to the indicator part, and we are going to use RSI. RSI is the only indicator that you're supposed to use while trading these volatility, these are step indices. Okay, because they give you the direction of the market. So we just get a step index 200, then we put the RSI there, and we find on step index 200 the RSI is above 50, so we are going to avoid that market. We check another market. We want to trade a rise market either way, so we are going to check step index 400. So let's see step index 400. So on step index 400, we get a very good market because the RSI is below 50, and we trade rise market on step index 400, 200 and 500. So if we get it that way, we are just going to set it here and go to a lower time frame to get our entry. So step index 400, step index 400, it's a rise market there. Then we are going to go to 1 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame to get our entry. So we are going to wait for 3 consecutive fall ticks followed by a single rise tick. We start our trade. So let's see. So 3 fall ticks followed by a single rise tick, we start our trade. So we are focusing with this candle. If it drops 3 consecutive times and it gives you a signal to rise just once, you just start your trades from there. So 1, 2, not yet. So let's see. 3 fall ticks, 1 rise, we start our trade. So let's see. 1. All right, so let's wait. Let's give it some time. Okay. 1, 2. Not yet. So you have to wait. You have to wait. Remember, the accuracy matters here. To avoid the losses and cutting your profits, the accuracy matters. So let's see. 1. 1, 2. Not yet. 1, 2, 3. Any rise tick, we start our trades. Any rise tick, we start our trades, just like that. So let's hope for the best from these amazing executives. So our first trade, it's a loss of $20. So let's wait for the recovery, and just like that, we have printed some 38 USD, as you can see. So that is $38 printed to 238. So we are going to close and wait for another entry. So let's see. 3 fall ticks, 1 rise, we start our trade. So 1, 2, not yet. 1, not yet. So we are going to wait. 1, not yet. 1, not yet. So you have to wait. 1, 2, 3. Any rise tick, we start our trades just like that, and we hope for the best. So our first trade, it's a loss again. So let's see whether we're going to get a good recovery. So our second run, it's a loss. So let's oh my goodness, so that's a loss. But the third run, it has recovered with a $25. As you can see, we are right now at $264. So let's proceed. The market is still okay. You keep checking on 5 minutes time frame, but the market is still okay. I can check it. It's still okay. So 1, not yet. 1, 2, not yet. 1, 2, 3. A single rise tick, we start our trades. So let's see. Just like that, we hope for the best. So let's see. Our first trade is a loss. So let's see our second trade, how it will play out. Our second trade, it's a loss also. So let's hope the third run will be a recovery. And just like that, that's a loss. So with a loss of $72.79. So no increasing the stake, we are going to recover that loss with the same stake. So let's see. 1, 2. Any rise tick, we start our trade. So I'm late there, but let's hope for the best. I was late in executing, but that's a loss again. So that's a recovery. Let's see. Yeah, that's a loss. So let's hope for the last run will be a profit and we'll have recovered the loss, the whole loss. So let's see. Let's hope for a good recovery. Another profit there. So I don't know why I'm struggling that much, and the market is very much okay. So just like that, we have printed another $39 to 303. So that our third session was very difficult. So I don't know why, but as you can see, you are literally risking very small amounts to get huge profits. So we have just hit our first stop loss here, but we have recovered that loss to 303. So we have printed $303 with the rise market. So we are going to check a fall market and hope we are going to get a fall market so that we can still actually practice on that also. So let's see. A fall market. So for a fall market, the RSI should be above 50 on step index 100, either 100 or 300. So let's see. So let's see on step index 100 what we will get. So on step index 100, we get a perfect fall. The RSI, this RSI here is above 50. So it means that we can trade a fall market comfortably. So we come here and change to step index 100, step index 100. just like that. Then we are going to trade a fall market, of course. Then we are going to a lower time frame to get our entry. So our entry will be just the vice versa of the rise market. So it will be three consecutive rise ticks followed by a single fall tick. So let's see whether we are going to get that one. One. Mm-hmm. So let's see, three rise ticks followed by a single fall tick. So let's see, one. Mm-hmm. One, two. Not yet. Two. Not yet. One. Not yet. One. Not yet. One, two, three. Any fall tick, you just start your trades and we hope for the best. So our first trade, it's a loss. So let's hope for our second trade. It will be a profit. So that's a loss again. Oh, it's a profit, by the way. It's not a loss. Yeah, plus $38 to 341. I had not seen that move. So yeah, so that is a profit. So for the fall market, you have to wait for three consecutive rise ticks, then one fall, you start your trade. So let's see. One. Mm-hmm. One. Mm-hmm. Okay. One. Mm-hmm. Not yet. So you have to wait. One. Mm-hmm. One, two, three. Any fall tick, we just click on start trade just like that, and we hope for the best. So our first trade, it's a loss. Let's see our second trade. It's a profit, of course. That's a profit of $38 to 380.08. So the market is still okay. So we are going to wait for three consecutive rise ticks, then a fall tick just like that one. We start our trade. So I guess I was not late. So with that loss, I can just pause if it doesn't recover. But we have already recovered after pausing. So as you can see right now, we are at 418. Okay, 418 with a stake of $20 with only 4 trades. So as you can see, so we are going to wait for three rise ticks followed by a fall tick. We start our trade. So we are going to reload, then we start our nini again. We start our analysis again. So this is it. First things first, set your stake. So we are going to use, actually right now I'm going to increase the stake to 41.25 because this is my last trade either way. Take profit, I'm going to take 0.1. Then maximum loss, I'm going to use 3. Then I'm going to use a martingale of 1.2 and ticks 2. So ticks, I'm going to increase the number of ticks to 2. Then the martingale size, I'm going to lower it to 1.2. Just make sure you do it that way. Then we are going to check step index 100. Remember, we are trading step index 100, a fall market, but we have to confirm whether it's still a fall market. So I'm going to zoom in again, then we do the analysis and see. So let's see. On 5 minutes time frame, that is where you're supposed to analyze the market. Then the indicator that you're supposed to use the RSI only. Okay, and then after that, we are going to check our market again. So we are going to check the step index 100. So we are going to type 100 here, just like that. Then scroll down and take step index 100. So after checking, we have to check whether it's above 50. So it's above 50. So the market condition is very, very much okay. So we just go to a lower time frame, that is a 5 minutes time frame, and get our entry. Remember, our target is to only make $300 on this account. So let's see, 3 rise ticks followed by a single fall, we start our trade. So let's see, I'm going to zoom so that I can focus with the chart. So as you can see, 3 rise ticks, 1 fall, we start our fall trades on step index 100. So let's see, 1, 2, not yet. So let's wait. 1, 2, not yet. 1, 2, not yet. So we have to wait. Patience here is highly required. So if you're not patient, you can always lose money. So 3, any fall tick, you just start your trade just like that. So let's hope for the best. And our first trade is a loss. Our second trade, it's a profit plus 70. I guess it's 70. Yeah, plus $70. $78 to 497. And then we are going to take our last trade. and we call it a trade session. So let's see, 3 rise ticks followed by a single fall. We start our trade. So we do it manually. 2, 3. Any fall tick, you just start your trades and hope for the best. So our first trade, it's a profit of $100, and that is how we have hit 597.06 USD on that account. So this account target is only $1,200. Then we withdraw. So that is basically the strategy that you're supposed to use, the rise and fall. So I'll be uploading more videos explaining the strategy, so you can just check this one and learn from it. Then we keep moving. Okay, so this is TZX. See you all at the top. Keep printing those dollars on tzxtraders.com.